Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an eggnog bread, and it's even made with an eggnog glaze. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Plus, I'm also posting lots of new bonus videos up until Christmas, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a 9x5-inch loaf pan and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the eggs that are at room temperature, eggnog also at room temperature, butter that's been melted and cooled, sugar, and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're well combined. Place a sifter over the bowl and add in the flour, baking powder, salt, and nutmeg, and sift the ingredients into the bowl and mix them until they're just combined. You don't want to overmix the batter or the bread will have a tough texture instead of a light and soft texture. Lumps are totally fine. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Shake and tap it a few times to level it out and get rid of big air bubbles. And bake it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes. Then turn it out of the pan onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. To make the eggnog glaze, in a small bowl, add in the powdered sugar and eggnog and mix them until they're combined. If you like, you can add some salt to cut some of the sweetness and enhance the eggnog flavor. Once the bread is completely cooled, place the cooling rack onto a sheet pan to catch drips. Slowly pour the glaze all over the top, letting it run down the sides. Then leave it until the glaze is set and not super sticky to the touch. Then transfer it to your serving plate and serve it whenever you like. And that's how to make an eggnog bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like, and check out my channel for many more videos, and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.